Welcome, today I am with Huawei Nova 8i and I'll show you how we can take screenshot without using this physical buttons. So we get three methods. The first one, you can open notification panel and tap on the screenshot icon. It's up here right here. As you can see, the screenshot was taken when you tap on it once. Okay, that's annoying honestly. Just let me enter, okay. We can save by tapping on the right upper corner. We can also take screenshot while using our three fingers, so just swipe like that. There it is. Oh my god, it's so annoying. I just want to remove it. And we can also double tap with our knuckle. And that's how it works. So sorry guys, it's just pissed me off when some kind of the bugs appears. It looks like bug for me because in the normal smartphones this kind of the notification will disappear when you just tap on the empty space on your screen or just simply go back. But here on the new Emotion UI Huawei, it just appears and you cannot remove it. The same like when you are in the sound settings and try to adjust the volume level. So to assume, we get three methods by using this screenshot icon, by swiping with three fingers, or just use our knuckle. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.